Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious crab leg soup. First, select high-quality crab legs, either fresh or frozen, ensuring they are fully thawed if frozen. Next, gather all your vegetables and chop them into uniform pieces. Finally, measure out your broth and spices so everything is ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. For our crab leg soup, you'll need about 2 pounds of crab legs, which can be king or snow crab. Dice 1 large onion, 2 celery stalks, and 3 carrots. These aromatics will build a fantastic flavor foundation. Have 6 cups of seafood or chicken broth on hand, and don't forget 1/2 cup of heavy cream to add a lovely richness to the final dish. Begin by sautéing your diced onion, celery, and carrots in 2 tablespoons of butter until they are tender. Pour in the 6 cups of broth and bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Carefully add the crab legs, cooking them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are heated through. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream, warming it gently without boiling. Once the soup is ready, carefully remove the crab legs. Crack open the shells and extract all the delicious crab meat, then return it to the soup. Garnish your bowls with some fresh parsley or chives for a burst of color and extra flavor. Serve this comforting crab leg soup immediately, perhaps with some warm, crusty bread on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.